Welcome to the ArmaniTalks YouTube channel. I'm your host, ArmaniTalks. In this channel, I'm covering communication skills for you to level up your way with words and become much more articulate. In today's episode, we are entering the land of public speaking, and I'm going to give you some tips in order to make your audience laugh. You have a great speech. The only problem is that it's a little too serious. You have this stiff face when you're delivering it. And the audience, they're listening to you, but they can't quite absorb the message because you look so freaking serious. It's very similar to action movies. If the entire movie is just punching after punching after punching, eventually you're just going to say, dude, there needs to be some form of humor right now so I could finally breathe. It's the same thing with public speaking. If you are just delivering one serious line after another, then the audience, they're going to think, I just need to breathe. So here are some tips in order to make your audience laugh. The very first tip that I want you to understand is that the audience is dying to laugh. You'll be surprised by how many times I went up on stage, and I know for a fact that people would not find this thing that I'm about to say one-on-one version funny, but in a scaled audience, they will find it funny. For example, if I say something like, I know whenever I call this person, he will solve my problems in 5 business days or less. If I say a line like that to a close friend, he's just going to look at me and just say, that's corny. But if I take that same line and I deliver it to a scaled audience where multiple human beings are sitting next to each other, they're going to find this corny line to be funny. And what's unique is that it is really about the intent. If the audience sees that you are trying to make them laugh, more often than not, they are going to laugh. The problem is your delivery, where you are telling a joke, but you're saying it with such a serious face that the audience has no clue that you're trying to make them laugh. So when you are trying to make them laugh, do this little smirk as you're delivering it. Instead of saying, and he will solve my problems in 5 business days or less, you say something like, and he's going to solve my problems in 5 business days or less. And you pause. And within that pause, you are not trying to make the entire audience laugh. You are just trying to make one person laugh. If you're capable of making that one person laugh, it starts this chain effect and everyone starts laughing. If most people are laughing besides 4 people, those 4 people, they're going to feel ostracized and they will just give a fake chuckle. So right after you guide the audience into laughing with that smirk, one person laughs and boom, just like that, it creates that cascading effect. So there's been a couple of lessons so far. You can try corny jokes on a scaled human interaction, aka the audience, and the corny line will become a funny line. You want to smile in order to allow the audience to know that you're trying to make them laugh. And you also want to pause. With that being said, before your speech, because you may be one of those guys that are thinking, well, let me just be serious the entire time. No, before your speech, as you're creating it, you want to smile and create it. This allows you to not vilify jokes. It allows you to view jokes in a pleasant sort of way. So in the beginning, right, when you're creating the speech, smile. And the more that you're smiling, the more that you're going to have this desire to insert some jokes. I recommend you're not inserting too many jokes because you still want to have a talk filled with wisdom. But if you're curious, Armani, do you have any formulas or anything? I recommend at least, if the speech is 7 to 8 minutes long, at least have 2 to 3 jokes. And you could have it in the beginning, middle, and end. This is a simple framework to get started off with. So in the beginning of your speech, smile a lot, and as you're smiling a lot, you will be having this desire to put in jokes within your speech. Other than that, it's really about guiding the audience and letting them know that you are telling a joke. Because if the audience, they see that you're trying to tell a joke, they have this desire just to laugh. I have no clue why, but jokes that normally don't work with one-on-one situations always works with audiences. Now, I'm sure you've seen those situations where a comedian tries to do this and a comedian gets heckled or booed off stage. But that's not how it works in the real world. If you're just a regular guy that's trying to give a speech at your brother's wedding or in an anniversary party, then you will be surprised by how eager the audience is to laugh at your corny jokes. If you enjoyed today's talk and you want to get more insights like this into public speaking, be sure to check out my book, The Speaking Wizard. Within this book, you will learn much more about how to infuse humor into your speech, how to infuse wisdom into your speech, and how to make sure the audience learns by the time you are done speaking. To check out The Speaking Wizard, scan the barcode right on here and grab your copy today. If the barcode is not working for whatever reason, go on ArmaniTalks.com, click shop, and grab your copy today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.